In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use TurboTax online effectively to manage your 2024 tax information. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you breeze through the process with ease. So let's jump right in and explore the steps. First, we begin by accessing TurboTax online. You'll want to head over to the TurboTax 2024 page. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you need assistance logging in, check out TurboTax's support for troubleshooting, but assuming you're in, let's continue. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice various sections. Our goal is to look at the Other Tax Situations tab. Locate this option in the menu and go ahead and click on it. This section is designed to cater to specific tax scenarios you might encounter, offering a broader view of the elements that could impact your tax return. After clicking on Other Tax Situations, the next step is to select Review/Edit. This option allows you to assess the information you have entered, ensuring everything is accurate and complete.